the most powerful compactor in the world. A technological wonder of man, heavy machinery has and continues to make significant contributions to the development of humanity. They are essential tools that help us achieve great goals and bring humans to new levels of technological achievement. Join us in exploring the world's highest-rated heavy machinery. Railway maintenance is very demanding because even the smallest mistake can have unpredictable consequences. The Placer and Thierer AHM 800R rail maintainer has an automatic control and monitoring system that allows the machine to adjust speed and pressure for optimal results. To improve efficiency, the machine is also equipped with an automatic vacuuming and water cooling system for the engine, reducing negative impacts on the environment and ensuring long-term durable operation. The Placer and Thierer AHM 800R also features an intelligent data collection system, allowing engineers and technicians to assess machine performance and quickly troubleshoot problems. This fantastic machine is widely used in railway maintenance projects in many countries around the world. The Leibniz-Spielfeld railway track renovation project is also one of their most successful projects. And this is the world's most powerful road compactor with built-in stabilization. Dynamic Tamping Express 094X is a special device manufactured to give perfect flatness to rails. The machine is equipped with the most advanced technology, helping the machine operate with high efficiency and absolute accuracy. When this giant machine worked, the sound rumbled the whole land. It's not annoying noises, but the music of perfection, as it does its job. With its fast working speed and high accuracy, Dynamic Tamping Express 094X has become an important tool in railway maintenance and improvement worldwide. This is one of the most amazing machines ever built by humans. The RU800S is a state-of-the-art and high-tech railway track construction machine designed to help build new or upgrade existing railway tracks more quickly and efficiently. With a maximum operating speed of up to 3 km per hour and a track gauge width from 1435 mm to 1676 mm, the RU800ES can perform various operations during the track construction process. The machine can excavate soil, clear stones, level the track, spread ballast, place concrete slabs, and do many other activities. Equipped with an automatic control system, the RU800S enhances accuracy and consistency during the work process. In addition, the machine is equipped with sensors to measure the depth of the track, ensuring that the track is built to the required standard and depth. In summary, the RU800S is an advanced and efficient railway track construction machine designed to help build new or upgrade existing railway tracks quickly and accurately. In the Karwa-Salar region, there is a Tamping Express machine that operates at high speed. This machine was invented to make railway construction easier. It works by applying pressure to compress the soil where it is needed. This helps the track to withstand the weight of the carriages and prevent shaking when the train is in motion. Can you imagine, without the help of machines, how long would it take for humans to complete this heavy work? This compactor is capable of achieving a high working speed of up to 2.5 km per hour, and the compaction accuracy is better than that of conventional compactors. It is also capable of achieving massive compaction efficiency of up to 3,200 square meters per hour, which increases productivity and saves time during railway infrastructure construction and maintenance. It is an optimal choice for large-scale and highly challenging railway compaction projects. And here is the Placer & Thurer's RM95800W ballast cleaning machine, designed to address the problem of pollution on the track bed after 25 to 30 years of use. With the wear and tear, brake dust and vegetation accumulating on the surface of the track, water cannot drain out and stagnation becomes hard and dry. The RM95800W is equipped with the latest advanced technologies to clean the ballast as efficiently as possible. The machine can eliminate all impurities adhering to the surface of the track, ensuring that the track is kept clean and safe for use. The ballast cleaning machine RM95800W is often used in conjunction with track conversion or switches to ensure that the track system operates at its best. It is one of the essential tools to maintain a stable and reliable track system for many years to come. Join us for another giant machine, Bagger 258. This machine is a technological wonder of man. The Bagger 258 is one of the world's largest mining machines manufactured by the Krupp Company, now part of the ThyssenKrupp Group. At 94 meters tall and weighing almost 14,000 tons, the Bagger 258 is one of the most colossal industrial devices ever produced. This excavator is used to perform earth, rock, sand, and mineral excavation works in large construction projects. It can dig up to 40 meters deep and 240 meters wide, with the ability to dig around 4,500 cubic meters per hour. It is equipped with a complex electronic and mechanical control system that regulates the accuracy and speed of the machine. In addition, Bagger 258 is also equipped with a support system to help maintain a stable position on the ground and a safety control system to ensure operator safety. The world's largest heavy machines are great works of man, created from creativity and unremitting efforts. They are symbols of the advancement of technology, giving unwavering faith in human development and our future. With new achievements and records set, we can't help but admire the power and capabilities of these heavy machines. A great support tool. A modern production line, all the images you just saw will be included in today's video. Don't rush to exit without thoroughly enjoying the excitement of these fantastic machines. Thank you for clicking on the video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. First, let's take a look at these fantastic food processing machines. This is a dough divider and rounder machine called Industry Rex AW from Koenig. The device is designed to ensure high accuracy in dividing dough by weight and handling it gently. This helps to produce baked goods that are more uniform and tender. BakerBot has introduced a new product called BakerBot Max. a collaborative robot in the bread manufacturing industry. With a load capacity double that of BakerBot 10 and a wider reach, this robot can handle applications that other BakerBot models cannot while remaining user-friendly. This product is designed to be suitable for demanding industrial tasks and requires minimal protection. BakerBot also uses vision-guided technology and a soft robot brush to place products into plastic packaging gently. Spar Hungary uses the Multivac T800 automatic packaging machine to package minced meat at their factory in Bichy. The product is supplied to all Spar stores in Hungary, the Czech Republic, Austria, and Slovenia. This automated packaging line can produce 60,000 packages daily, saving time and increasing production efficiency. Spar Hungary was established in 1990, and its meat factory was inaugurated in 2004 to provide high-quality products to its customers. Bell & Evans is a family-owned company founded in 1927 in New Jersey, USA. The company has operated in the poultry industry from raising and slaughtering to marketing since 1864. To keep its products fresh and meet the diverse needs of customers, Bell & Evans has used multi-vac packaging lines to pack poultry in all variations, whether it's a whole chicken or parts of it. Thanks to multi-vac packaging machines, Bell & Evans has increased production efficiency, reduced costs, and achieved perfect packaging for its products. With the flexibility of these packaging machines, Bell & Evans can meet market demands and save time and effort for its employees. Bell & Evans takes pride in providing its customers with high-quality and safe poultry products, from raising and slaughtering to packaging. Koenig's machinery products in the bread production industry include the Rex T5 and KGN, Rex T5 and KGN, and Berlin Roll Line, Berliner Anlage. The Rex T5 and KGN line helps the dough to rise before baking, resulting in a final product with suitable thickness and puffiness. The Rex T5 and KGN proofing cabinets ensure full development of the dough before baking, resulting in a soft and fluffy end product. Next, look at some of the most advanced modern agricultural machinery available today. This is a type of harvester used for harvesting chickpeas. New Holland, one of the world's leading agricultural machinery manufacturers, produces the machine. The harvester is equipped with advanced technologies to help efficiently and quickly harvest chickpeas. The machine can automatically adjust to suit different terrains and environmental conditions, optimizing harvesting performance. Furthermore, the machine is also designed to minimize product losses during harvesting. With this machine, users can harvest chickpeas more quickly and efficiently, increasing productivity and reducing costs for farmers. The Grimm GT 172-row elevator harvester is an advanced machine for efficient and fast potato harvesting. With the multi-sep double separating system, this machine can separate the potato plant's potatoes and leaves, optimizing the harvesting performance and minimizing product losses during the process. With its advanced technology and versatility, the Grimm GT 172-row elevator harvester is ideal for farmers looking to increase productivity and reduce costs during potato harvesting. Grimm is one of the leading companies in agricultural machinery, providing trust and satisfaction for customers worldwide. The 88th boot is an agricultural machine used for automatic planting on vacant land. This machine is produced by Geber. Bosch is a leading agricultural machinery manufacturer in the Netherlands. The ATH boot can automatically perform tasks related to planting, such as digging holes, inserting tree roots into the soil, and filling soil around the tree roots. The machine can also be adjusted to fit the position of each tree, optimizing efficiency and minimizing product loss. You are currently viewing a grass harrow attachment for the McCormick X545HC tractor. With a length of up to 15 meters, this attachment has made the task of removing weeds much quicker and more efficient. This is a type of machine that assists humans in planting crops, specifically used to plant tomatoes using the single-drilled method, which means planting one row at a time. The difference between single-drilled and double-drilled is the number of seedlings planted in each row. With the single-drilled method, only one seedling is planted in each row, while with double-drilled, 2 seedlings are planted in each row. You may not believe it, but this machine has won the Nobel Prize for agricultural machinery. Its main job is to harvest tulip bulbs. The Oxbow 2475 is a versatile harvesting machine for corn and green beans. What's unique about the Oxbow 2475 is that it can be used with 2 different harvesting heads to suit different harvesting needs. The 6-row 3630F head is used for sweet corn harvest, while the low-profile bean head is used for green. The Oxbow 2475 harvester is based on the Superjack harvester and includes a John Deere 9L engine with 275 horsepower and a John Deere cabin. This allows the operator to complete harvesting tasks easily and quickly. The machine is designed with high flexibility, with the ability to rotate the harvesting head 180 degrees to harvest from the left or right side of the device. The Oxbow 2475 hopper has a capacity of 15 cubic meters and can lift to 6,350 kilograms, allowing users to harvest a large amount of produce without stopping to unload. The machine has many safety features, including brake systems and mechanical locks. In the next section, let's look at some heavy-duty machinery that is working efficiently. Modern road construction technology has brought progress in building concrete and asphalt roads. Machines implementing this technology have brought it to a new level, making road construction faster and easier. Some types of excavators are designed to level the ground or take soil from high positions and dump it onto the road axis. These machines can work continuously and automate unloading soil from dump trucks, saving time and labor. Road paving machines have also been improved to provide higher efficiency and faster paving speed. Some asphalt paving machines can continuously pour asphalt while moving on the road, making the construction process faster and less time-consuming. In the Canadian oil sands region, Caterpillar experts and cat dealer Finning Canada have validated the performance of the new 798 AC dump truck with a capacity of 410 tons, 372 tons, testing it in these harsh conditions, demonstrating its hauling capabilities and collecting feedback from operators and maintenance technicians. Designed to meet transportation needs for the mining industry, the 798 AC dump truck can withstand the most challenging conditions. It has a C175-16 engine with 2,610 horsepower and unique motorized tires that enhance its operational capability in rocky terrain. In India, coal mines have used modern equipment such as the high-wall miner to optimize extraction and reduce production costs. The high-wall miner is one of the leading coal mining technologies, equipped with main components such as a cutter head, gathering system, horizontal control, cable reeling drum, navigation and steering, electric controls, continuous video monitoring, hydraulic controls, water spray interlock, and fail-safe methane monitor. The cutter head is the main component of the high-wall miner, used to cut coal seams from the mining walls. The gathering system collects coal and transfers it to a conveyor or truck for further transportation. The horizontal control function adjusts the position of the mining machine to achieve perfect alignment in high-sloping areas. The cable reeling drum automatically pulls the electrical signal and data cables as the machine moves during the mining process. Navigation and steering helps the operator easily track the position of the machine during the mining process. Electric controls help optimize the control and monitoring of the mining operations. The 700-ton Demag AC 702 crane is one of the modern cranes widely used in the construction industry for its ability to lift and transport heavy materials. The Demag AC 702 crane is designed to lift loads to 700 tons, 635 tons, with a main boom length of up to 60 meters, enough to confidently perform the most difficult tasks, from constructing high-rise buildings to installing bridges and highways. The machine has a Mercedes-Benz engine with 625 horsepower, providing effective and efficient operation. This crane is also equipped with a remote control system, allowing operators to operate from a safe distance. The DMAG AC702 is also equipped with a sensor system to assist with movement at speeds of up to 85 kilometers per hour, ensuring safety for the driver and other vehicles on the road. Furthermore, this crane is equipped with safety features such as ABS and EBS brake systems to minimize the risk of accidents. We want to sincerely thank our viewers for watching the video about amazing machines in the food, agriculture, and heavy machinery industries. These machines bring convenience and enhance manufacturing, transportation, and construction productivity. They enable us to complete tasks more efficiently, reduce time and costs, and improve product quality and safety at work. If you have any feedback or are not satisfied with the video, please leave a comment to let us know. Now take a break and have a good rest for your health. See you again tomorrow.